This is Joey. He's hiding. He's kind of shy. Joey! Joey, can you sing? Joey, can you sing? Can you sing for me? Can you say your name? Joey! Joey! Joey, Joey, Joey! No, he's not going to sing. It's almost time for his cracker. It's almost 3 o'clock. Joey! Joey, Joey! Joey, Joey, Joey! He's eating his toast. Okay. Then we got Mr. Kanye here. Kanye, can you say what? Can you say what? What? Say it. Say what? And then you hear Roxy, if the sound works on this. Hi, Kanye. Hi, buddy. Can you wave? Hi. Wave. Wave. Can you wave? You can't come out right now, honey. Wave hi. No, nobody wants to do their tricks. Wave hi. Gotta wave. Gotta wave. No, honey. He thinks it's time to come out, but he can't. Yeah. Can you wave? Wave hi. Wave hi, bud. Wave hi. You can't come out. Oh, you're coming out anyway, I guess, huh? Mama's not fast enough for you today. Good boy. Good boy. If you would have waited, I would have made your play top for you. This right here, you see the red? That opens up. That's the play top. And the perch goes in between right here. Doesn't it? Can you come up? Can you come up? Can you come up? No, he's going to be grumpy. Okay. Bye, guys.